Assalamu alaikum. Today I'm going to make pasta um, using sausages and vegetables. So these are the ingredients. I've taken 2 tablespoons of crushed ginger and garlic, then 1 teaspoon of oregano, half teaspoon of turmeric powder, 1 tablespoon of salt, 1 tablespoon of chicken powder, 1 teaspoon of white pepper, 1 teaspoon of black pepper, and 1 tablespoon of red crushed chili. Now I have almost like three medium sized carrot cut into small pieces, small this much size, and then I have one and 1.5 capsicum. I've cut it into this small pieces, and this is almost 1 packet of Frent Fuiter sausages cut it this way. So we'll prefer using Frent Fuiter sausages, although it's up to you if you want to use another type of sausage, but the taste comes really well with this type of sausage. Now let's start. Now see over here, don't brown the ginger garlic. Just fry it till its aroma is out and immediately put water so that its color, we don't want a brown garlic. We don't want that taste. We want a specific taste. Now over here just add all the ingredients. Put more water, don't burn the masala. At this stage I've added carrots, so just stir it for a while, maybe 1 to 2 minutes, and that's enough. So let's stir it for a while. Once it's done, at this stage you can also if you like more vegetables, so you can add more of it, a different variety. If you like cauliflower or any other vegetable, so you can add it. Now see over here, just stir fry it a little bit until it is a little bit softened. Then add all the sausages, mix it well. These are already cooked, so just mix it. Mix the capsicum. This is the actual time that I am doing it. So it will hardly take 5 to 10 minutes to make the masala. Close the lid and close the stove. Over here in a big pot I have put almost 3 liters of water, and I've added 2 tablespoons of salt in it. So I'll let this boil, and then I'll add 500 grams of macaroni to the pot for boiling. You can also add 1 tablespoon of oil so that it won't stick with one another. Now in another pan, now, as the masala is done, just close the lid and leave it for 5 to 10 minutes. Meanwhile, the water is boiling, so we'll add the packet of macaroni. We'll stir it until it's cooked. Now see, the macaroni is done. Don't overcook it, but I've strained all of it. So just add the macaroni, add the masala. Over here I haven't overcooked everything, just add the masala, and then we'll put it on dum for about 10 to 15 minutes. Mix it properly. At this stage you can also add a little bit of oil if you think the oil is less. So it will be better if you can just add 2 to 3 tablespoons of oil, and that's it. So now it's properly mixed. Now I'll put it on them. This is my special tool. So it is on very low flame, as low as I could. So I'll just put it here on them for 15 to 20 minutes and pasta is ready. Tasty pasta is ready to be served. Thanks for watching. Bye.